Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing both files and choosing the exact data to link. Open Excel, select the range and convert it to a table or give it a defined name. This stabilizes references when Word reads the data. Save the Excel file, then open the Word document where you want the live content. Make sure both files are in accessible locations, local or network drive, and note their paths because Word will store a link to that path when you paste. Next, copy the Excel range and switch to Word to create a live link. Choose Home, Paste, then Paste Special and click Paste Link. Pick Microsoft Excel Worksheet Object to preserve formulas and layout, or HTML table for simple formatting. Once done, Word embeds a link field that points to the Excel file. This is why using a named range helps. Make sure Update Links on Open is enabled in Word. Otherwise, use File Info to manage and update links manually when content changes. To finish, save Excel, then in Word update the linked field to verify the live connection. You can right-click the object and choose Update Field, or use Edit Links to force a manual relink if the path moved. If layout or formulas acted odd, relink as an Excel object to retain behavior, or paste as plain text for stable appearance. If links fail, check file locations and permissions. One key troubleshooting tip is to relink from the current Excel file using Edit Links to restore.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.